Hello everyone. These are important questions of today's October month. Question number 1 is recently India's first Oscar winner has passed away. What was his name? Answer is Bhanu Athaiya. Note about her. She was a costume designer. She won Best Costume Design Oscar Award in 1982 film Gandhi. Question number 2. Kamdhenu Deepavali campaign is concerned. Answer is National Kamdhenu Commission. Note about it to recognize the cow dung project. Question number 3. Recently, the world's largest greenfield zinc smelter will be built in which state? Answer is Gujarat. The capital of Gujarat is Gandhinagar. Present minister is Vijay Rupani. Governor is Achar Devdutt. It is famous for Gir National Park. Question number 4. Which country topped the passport index recently released by Arton Capital? Answer is New Zealand. The capital of New Zealand is Wellington. Currency dollar. Prime Minister is Jacinda Ardern. Question number 5. Recently, the longest road tunnel in Asia has started in Jammu Kashmir. What is its name? Answer is Zojila Tunnel. Note, its length is 14.15 km. Question number 6. Red light on vehicle of campaign is concerned. Answer is Delhi. It reduces pollution. Question number 7 is Bom, Bom, Bombay Golu Navratri tradition is related to which state? Answer is South Indian. Important fact, these days there is an artistic display of handmade gudiyas in South India. Question number 8. Recently, UNESCO has appointed as permanent representative of India. Answer is Vishal B. Sharma. Question number 9. The Barbie doll company has launched Barbie doll dedicated to which Indian para badminton player? Answer is Mansi Joshi. Question number 10. Which government has recently announced My Town, My Pride program? Answer is Jammu Kashmir. Important fact, to make public access to the town. Question number 11. When was International Poverty Day celebrated recently? Answer is 17th October. That time theme is acting together to achieve social and environmental justice for all. Question number 12. Which state education department has recently started a pilot project called Adapt a Child? Answer is Rajasthan. Question number 13. Who has the MAC 6478 variety recently discussed? Answer is wheat. Note about it. Yield range from 40 to 60 per hectare. Question number 14. Who has Facebook appointed as Director Public Policy for Emerging Technology? Answer is Sunil Abraham. Question number 15. Recently, in which state of Hollangi AAI will build a greenfield airport? Answer is Arunachal Pradesh. The capital of Arunachal Pradesh is Itanagar. Present Chief Minister Pema Khandu. Governor Brigadier B.T. Mishra. Question number 16. Recently, Achyutan Namboothri has died. Who he was? Answer is Malayalam poet. Note, in 2017, he was honored with the Padma Shri Award. Question number 17. Recently, which state government has approved the new sports policy for the promotion of the talented? Answer is Uttarakhand. Capital of Uttarakhand is Dehradun. So if you like my video, please subscribe my channel and uh, like my video and share with friends. Thanks for watching.